Welcome back guys, and in some cases what is happening, hotspot is not working, means you are giving hotspot and nearby mobiles are not able to scan your mobile. In that case, what you need to do, I'm going to tell you in this video. After watching this, if you like the video and if your problem is getting solved, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Now directly coming to the topic, go to the setting and then go to the setting and then go to the 1 minute. In rest of the mobiles in Samsung, it will come in connections, and here you will mobile hotspot and tethering, and in some mobiles it is directly come into the root directory, means in setting also. So you just try and find out the mobile hotspot, go there, make it on. Okay, it is on. Okay, turn off Wi-Fi. Okay, turn off, then turn it on, mobile hotspot, and here just try to change the name. Okay, configure, then change here. You can change the name any, and after that, suppose you are Galaxy 1234, now change name, and now you can change the security key password also, or password may be the same. After that, you can go to the advanced and see if your hidden network is on or not. If it is on, then your mobile hotspot name won't appear in the list of the available Wi-Fi network. So first thing you need to check this. If if it is off and after that your mobile name is not coming in the Wi-Fi network name, then change the name, save it, and after saving it, just try and it should work. Otherwise, after doing this, restart the mobile, and after restarting this, your mobile name will appear in the scanned Wi-Fi name list. Once again repeat, just go to the connections, mobile hotspot, configure, advanced, see hidden networks, it is on or not. It should be off. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.